Can you solve this equation? It's very beautiful and attractive equation. How to solve in this video I explain. I invite you to watch it up to the end of this video. So how we can solve this equation? We write here 2 to the power of m plus 4 to the power of m equal to 72. Here we change, as you know, that 4 is equal to 2 times of 2. We can write here 3 square. So instead of 4, we can write 3 square to the power of m equal to 72. Then we multiply. Here we can write to the power of m plus 2 to the power of 3m equal to 72. As you know that the multiplication have commutative property. 2m we can write m multiplied by 2. So instead of 2 to the power of 2m, we can write 2 to the power of m total the power of 2 square. Here we can write 2 to the power of m plus 2. Instead of 2m, we can write 2 to the power of m square equal to 72. Then we substitute the y equal to 2 to the power of m. Instead of m, we can write, instead of 2 to the power of m, we can write y plus y square equal to 70. Here we can write y square plus y minus 72 equal to 72 minus 72. Then here subtract and remain y square plus y minus 72 equal to 0. So now let's take the form of quadratic equation, and we have the general form of quadratic equation: x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and the formula x1 and 2 equal to minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now we substitute here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 72. So here y1 and y2 equal to minus, instead of b we put 1 plus and minus square root of b square 1 square minus a is 1, 4 is a constant, multiplied by 1 and multiplied by minus 72 over 2 multiplied by 1. Here minus 1 plus and minus square root of 1 plus minus multiplied by minus plus 4 multiplied by 2, 8, and 4 multiplied by 7, 4 times of 7, 28 over 2. Then y1 and 2 is equal minus 1 plus a square root of 289 over 2. The square root of 289 is 17 minus 1 plus 17. And how you can find the square root of 279? I can write here. We draw from general method here. We separate from right to left. 1 multiplied by 1, 1, and then we subtract 1. Here 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2. Then we write down here 89, and here we can 7. 7 multiplied by 49. 7 multiplied by 2, 14 plus 4, 18. So here we can write over 2. Then y1 is equal to minus 1 plus 17 over 2. Here 17 plus 1, 16. Subtract we here over 2, 8. And the next one, y2 is equal minus 1 plus minus 17 over 2 minus 18 over 2 minus 9. Now we can find the value of m. Here we had y equal to 2 to the power of m. So we can write 2 to the power of m equal to 8. Here the value of y1 is 8. We can write here 8. Then 2 to the power of m equal to 2 to the power of 3, because 8 is actually equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, or 2 cube. So the value of m is 3. This is the solution of this equation. Please subscribe and like. If you have any question, you can